Friends, Running Kimono here. Here's your Walgreens preview for the week of October the 1st to the 7th. Lots of superb deals in this ad. I'm really excited by it. And please treat this video also as a preview. We're going to know all of the firm details tomorrow, which is Sunday, October the 1st. New week over at Walgreens, and there's a lot of great deals. Plus, they have brought back a couple days of my Walgreens where we're going to be expecting some super-duper deals. So you might have gotten these boosters. Hopefully you loaded all of them. They'll be in your clipped coupons folder. It's from Wednesday to Saturday. Every day something a little different. So the top one, we have 10 back when we spend 30, and that's valid on the 5th. So it's only valid that one day, and that has to be like a curbside order. 15% on a purchase. I think that's the one that's going to, it's actually going to be the entire duration. So that's a little something there. Maybe stack it with another deal. 20 back when you spend 45, and that's going to be on the 7th. And then 15% back on Walgreens branded items. I don't know how many of us want Walgreens branded items. Maybe some of the first aid stuff, but that might be a tougher one. But expect videos on that. And load all of your digital coupons. Like the old Kenny Rogers song, you might want to, hold your cards and wait for a better deal. And I think it might be later in the week with these boosters. As there are no digital boosters, they're banking on these My Walgreens Day. People will just show up at the store and be like, oh my gosh. So you decide, but I think I might wait on some deals myself. In case you missed it, I did go to Dollar General yesterday and got a whole bunch of cheap items, $1.47 bags of Tide Pods and really cheap fabric softeners and just a great little basket. If you are going to be chasing after those penny Comfort Bay quilts or bedding, I would recommend to take 2 to self-checkout and scan them because they can pull that at any time, and I think it's probably going to get pulled today. Just a prediction, but definitely read through comments. How are people? Are they successful with it? How's it going? Etc., etc. But with a lot of these P&G laundry care deals that I was showing in this video specifically, a lot of the digital coupons are expiring today, which is Saturday the 30th, so go and make this happen. I'll link this video at the end. If you could do me a huge kindness before we jump into the deals, if you could give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would mean a lot to me. And if you could also subscribe if you're not a subscriber, that would also make my Saturday. Thank you so much in advance, guys. I really appreciate it. Let's hop into the first deal. It is with the Axe hair care. Now, all of the items in their line, the body wash, the hair care, it's in the same bottle, so you really have to pay attention. We're going to have a $7.50 off a 2 digital coupon, which is like super uber generous. Grabbing 2 of these items at $4.99 a pop, it's $9.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $2.48 for the 2 or $1.24 per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this without a booster, just to get your very cheap shampoo. Make it happen. Load that coupon as well. With the Dove, here's the weird thing. In the preview on the Flippy app, it says there's a $2 digital. However, in most inserts, there's going to be a buy one, get one free coupon this weekend. So I don't know, guys. But if you get the insert coupons, grabbing 2 of these body washes for $14, subtracting that $6.99 off a 2 insert coupon, you'll pay $7, get back a $5 register reward, making it 2 for the 2 or $1 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this without a booster. Right now, we're supposed to get a $2 digital for this body wash, but will there be a BOGO free as the week marches on? That is the question. If there is, dollar body wash, very good deal. The next deal that we have is with the Airwick Essential Oils, this double pack for $6.49. We're going to have a buy one, get one free coupon. Grabbing 2 of these for $12.98, subtracting that digital. That will be showing up on Sunday morning. You're paying $6.49 for the 2 or $3.24 per pack. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, here's a weird one. The Mr. Clean All-Purpose Cleaner, we don't really get deals for this. There's a 50-cent digital dollar reward when you buy 2. Here's your digital coupon. Make sure you have this guy loaded right away for this deal. It expires end of the month, so just load it. Grabbing 2 of these, it'll be $5.38. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4.88. Get back a $1 register reward, making it a $3.88 for the 2 or $1.94 per Mr. Clean. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now here's an interesting one. Angel Soft, Sparkle, or Quilted Northern, $6.99. $3 reward when you buy two. IBOTTA has either $1, $2.50, like really high cashbacks, so load it. I only have $1 back. Grabbing two of these Quilted Northerns for $13.98. Get back your $3 register reward. I'm getting $2 back from IBOTTA. It makes it $8.98 for the two, or $4.49 per pack of toilet paper. If you have a higher IBOTTA rebate, much better deal. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but what a deal to get some cheaper Quilted Northern, a toilet paper we don't usually get for any promotion. Okay, the next deal that we have is $5 to $10 for the Nivea body wash, $5 reward when you buy three. We currently have one digital coupon, which is this guy. Double, triple check your IBOTTA on Sunday. If some of this stuff is attaching, we'll know on Sunday. But grabbing three of these for $15, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $13. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $8 for the three, or $2.66 per body wash, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Pantene, this is a really good deal. Let's grab a couple of the $5 ones. There's a 5 off 3 digital, $5 reward when you buy two. Looking at the math, three of these is $15. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $10. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $5 for the three, or $1.66 per Pantene. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster, but what a great deal if you love the Pantene hair care. Now, this is interesting. It's usually 4 for $9 for these Unstoppables, Tide Simply, blah, blah, blah. It's 3 for $8. So just keep an eye on that, because I don't know about that. We also have $9.99 for the Gain detergent, $4 reward when you buy two. There's no coupons right now that I can find to go with that. If there's some $2 digitals, we might be working with a deal, but we'll have to wait and see. Now let's dive quickly into some honorable mentions. The first is some Halloween stuff. The treat of the week, or the deal of the week, is the $2.79 Tootsie Roll candy. So I'm assuming that's a bunch of little candies all wrapped individually. I know a lot of you, that's the only way you can get candy to your kids' school. It has to be individually wrapped. So that might be a deal. Other Halloween candies as well. We have the buy one, get two for free on the Complete Home bags. So it's basically $2.79 for the first. The other two are free. It shakes it out to 93 cents per, which is really cheap. And we have the $1.99 Complete Home trash bags and the toilet paper, which is a favorite in our household. It's not Quilted Northern, but it's pretty nice. $1.99 Nice Brand popcorn, potato chip, and pretzels for all you snackers out there, and a whole bunch of cheaper groceries. The bacon that's 2 for $10, that is an excellent price point. Walmart and your local Kroger don't even sell it that cheap. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.